this woman is failing to walk on her own due to backache and body pain. But when the prophet prayed for her, she gained the energy. She is walking properly and is not feeling the backache or body pain anymore. And now she can walk normally.
I began to suffer. It's been over 2 years. I was having so much pain with my back. I was having challenges to walk. After being prayed for, all the pain that I was experiencing at my back has gone. I've got great joy because I know whatsoever had a problem with my life has been healed, and it has gone because there is nothing impossible with my God.